Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Mazda BT50, stock number 6261. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Front bonnet no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate 1 small crease in the corner. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo with sat nav. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.